Hey everyone, it's that time of year. Gonna get the mower blade swapped out on our mower. I've already done the first mow of the season with the blades from last year, and the reason I do that is because I don't know what the boys leave out there and all winter long, and then the grass gets high and I mow it. So I've already mowed over a few old bricks. We had like a nice 3-foot long watering wand, aluminum one. Yeah, that was in the grass and got obliterated. Some Hot Wheels cars, a screwdriver out there. Back this out, take this front end loader off and get that deck off and see what shape these blades are in. Alright, it looks like I ran over something too, so I might be doing a flat tire video here. I think it just might be the valve stem. I don't think it's that little Schrader valve though. I got the deck off. I'll show you how I set this thing up. Alright, so this is how I usually do this. I just wheel the deck up and then I lift it up, lean it against the tractor with the parking brake on. So this is the second set of blades we've bought. And as you can see, I've hit some pretty good obstacles out there. For the most part, they're not too bad. And here's the original set of blades that came with the tractor. So I sharpened these up the best I could, because I don't really want to buy another set of blades yet. So what I'm going to do is put the original set back on. I sharpened them and balanced them and everything. But you can see, I'll get it the best I can there. You can see the difference there. So these blades, I think they're a good at least 5 years old, probably half a dozen or more sharpenings. This is the second set of blades I bought, and I think I've sharpened them once so far. Scrape all this gunk off while I'm at it. So that makes a difference when you're mowing too. Helps just create a better vacuum, I guess, to pull the grass up better. So that's what these wings do on your. They pull the grass up, so the next blade that comes chops it while it's standing straight up. All right, got the trusty impact out. Nothing special here. Canadian Tire special, that is. Take these off, and it's a 24 mil socket. Alright, so there's the 3 blades there. Actually looking pretty good. 3 of these in Canada will run you about $105, which is, I think, highway robbery, but I think down in the US they're probably 18-20 bucks a blade, I would think. Anyways, I like to keep them in order as they come off the deck. Cutting knife, drywall mud knife. And you just scrape her off, just like that. Okay, so I won't bore you with that. While you're at it too, take off these dust shrouds. Clean this up a bit, and you come to the other side, and there's some grease nipples in there. All right, so I've got the deck as clean as I could get it with that scraper. Can't really, I usually pressure wash it, but I don't want to be pressure washing out in the rain. So we're gonna pop these back on. Okay. The important thing with these blades is to make sure the cutting edge is at the bottom. Okay. On the 30 or 50 pounds. So this is right out of the manual. So right there, blade bolt torque. Okay, we got it set. Let's get her torqued. That's it. Make sure you set your torque wrench back to 0 when you're done with it. There we are. Maybe in the winter I'll make a project for the boys and I. Take this thing all apart, give it a super good clean, repaint everything, grease it all up, you know. I think that'd be a good project. I hope you liked it. Give us a thumbs up and share it with whoever you think might need it. And that's a John Deere 60D mower deck. So we'll see you on the next one. Take care.